Preliminary commanding. Second umbilical tower. Intermediate commanding. The front.
And there you see the second umbilical separating. The engines now ramping up. Building up to flight speed and liftoff. Progress 69 and 6 tons of cargo now on their way to the International Space Station. All performance calls indicating nominal or normal operation of the first stage engines on the Soyuz 2.1A booster so far. Vehicle looking stable, straight and true as it rockets across the Kazakh sky there.
Давление в камерах двигателей в норме.
Already over 70 seconds into the flight, all indications coming back normal so far. The first stage continuing to fire. And there you see the first stage separation animation. The 4 strap-on boosters dropping away, their job complete. The core stage now continuing to fire. The second stage carrying the vehicle further into orbit. All indications still coming back. The rocket performing normally. Over 2 minutes since liftoff already. And confirmation, the launch shroud that protects the Progress vehicle during that early stage of flight has been jettisoned. So Progress 69 now exposed to the space environment as it continues to climb over 200 seconds since launch. The second stage continuing to perform normally. So already over 4.5 minutes into today's flight. Soyuz booster continuing to do its job, continuing to push Progress into orbit. And confirmation of second stage shutdown. Separation confirmed. Getting reports of nominal or normal functioning of the third stage. Again, this is the third and final stage, the final part of the flight for today. This will continue to burn until about 8 minutes and 45 seconds. So just past the 6-minute mark into the flight, everything continuing to look normal. Again, the third stage will continue to burn until about 8 minutes and 45 seconds, at which point it will shut down and detach from the Progress vehicle, which will be flying on its own. It'll then look to deploy navigational antennas, communication antennas, and the solar arrays to begin charging its batteries to provide power for all of the onboard systems. But as we approach that 400-second threshold, everything continuing to go smoothly so far with today's flight. We're now 8 minutes since liftoff. Everything continuing to look good with the vehicle. Getting good status calls on the third stage functions. Again, the next major milestone we're going to be looking for is that third stage shutdown and separation, followed shortly by antenna and solar array deploys on the Progress vehicle. And we got good confirmation of third stage separation. And getting good confirmation that all appendages, all of the communication, navigation antennas, and the solar arrays have been deployed. And as you can see, already getting some initial TV from the Progress vehicle. Again, good confirmation, the Progress in orbit, the antennas deployed, the solar arrays deployed, Progress now orbiting planet Earth, and getting ready for its 2-day chase down of the International Space Station. And so right here, a view inside of the Russian Mission Control Center just outside of Koryov. They're now in command and overseeing the Progress 69 cargo craft in its preliminary orbit. A good launch today, a flawless ride into orbit on that Soyuz booster. Now in its preliminary spot in outer space and ready to begin a 2-day chase down of the International Space Station. And so with it now in its orbit, it's going to arrive at the International Space Station following a series of burns. Right now it's targeted to arrive on Thursday, February 15th. We'll, of course, be bringing you live coverage here on NASA TV. That'll begin at 4 a.m. Central Time, 5 a.m. Eastern Time, with the docking ultimately coming at 4:43 a.m. Central, 5:43 a.m. Eastern. Again, it's going to be docking to the aft port of the Zvezda service module on the International Space Station, set to deliver just a little over 6,000 pounds of cargo to the Expedition 54 crew. So with that, a successful launch of Progress successfully in orbit and another vehicle on its way towards the International Space Station. Thanks for staying up late or tuning in early this morning, depending on where you are in the world, to watch another exciting launch to the International Space Station. And again, be sure to tune in and welcome the cargo craft along with the crew coming up on Thursday as it delivers more supplies to Expedition 54. With that, though, we are going to go ahead and sign off. This is Mission Control Houston.